Hey guys, welcome back. I just wanted to do a quick video on how I transfer files on my Batocera machine. My Batocera machine is a mini PC basically hooked up to my TV, and I like to do this via a USB thumb drive. So what I'll do is I'll download whatever I'm transferring to my Batocera box on my main Linux PC, put it on a thumb drive, bring it over, plug it into the mini PC, and then copy it up. And it's a lot easier to do this if you have one of these. This is a keyboard mouse combo. You can get these on Amazon for, I don't know, $10–12. It's rechargeable, all that good stuff. There's like a battery in it and a little charging point there. But what you want to do is you want to go hit F1, and this is the file manager, and you can use your mouse on this little keyboard mouse combo. And over here to the left, you can see all of your pieces and parts, your Batocera, your share, all that, and that's where your ROMs are, and your USB. So I'm going to go ahead and plug my USB in, and there we can see it populate. So I'm going to click my USB, and again, this is just how I'm transferring files, and I have a directory called songs. So I'm going to highlight that directory. I'm going to hit Control+C to copy. And then I'm going to go over to my ROMs folder. And this one's going to go in my ports directory because this is some songs for Clone Hero. And I'm going to go down to the directory where I want to put these. And I know Clone Hero is under my data directory here. And then I'm just going to drop them right here, and then I'll point the application. So now that I'm in the folder, my Clone Hero folder, I just do a Control-V, just like if you were on a PC, and then my files start copying. And then after that, I can go back into my game, I can select this directory, tell it to scan for songs, and I should be done. But anyway, that is just a quick, easy method on how I transfer files to Batocera. This goes for ROMs or whatever files I want to do on it. And then after your files are done copying, wait till they're done, but I'm just going to show you because we're not going to wait for all this to copy. Go up here to the top, up here in your menu, and select File, and then select Close Window, and that will take you right back into your main Batocera screen. Just a quick and easy video today, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.